Hi folks, we just wrapped up a whole round of makeup workshops, dual makeup workshops in the month of August called as the Brush with Pri. Many of you participated with me in that workshop and I hope you all had a good time learning the two kinds of makeup. I also was talking about cleaning brushes and sponges in the makeup sessions, and mostly we think that we need a lot of chemical products like cleansers and cleaners to clean our makeup items, but that's not the case. You can just use very simple ingredients from your kitchen to clean your makeup tools very effectively, and it's also cost efficient. So I'm going to tell you guys about cleaning your makeup brushes in particular, because makeup brushes need a lot of care. Sponges need them too, but brushes are very sensitive to harsh chemicals, and also the correct method has to be followed while cleaning your makeup brushes. So each makeup brush has a part called as the brush barrel and the bristles. So the brush barrel is something which holds all the bristles together, and when we soak the brushes in warm water for a long time like we do for sponges, what happens is the bristles will start coming out of the barrel in some time. So it's not advisable to soak your makeup brushes. So instead of soaking, how can you remove the grime and all the dirt which is deposited on it and all the makeup products? So the simple technique is to use olive oil. So I have very little, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to leave all my dirty brushes in the oil for some time. So I'm going to just keep them soaked for about 2 minutes. Why we need to use this oil is it really loosens up all the dirt and the makeup stuck to your bristles. After 2 minutes, I've removed the brushes from the olive oil, and now I'm just using a very soft towelette or a tissue to wipe off the edge of the brush. As you can see, all the dirt comes off completely. Even the hardest of caked on makeup can be removed with this process. As you can see, all the foundation is slowly being released onto the tissue. Now, we're going to take a bowl of lukewarm water and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm also adding a little bit of apple cider vinegar, about 2 tablespoons. You can also use regular vinegar, which is white vinegar. So why we are adding the lemon juice is, a lot of us will not like the pungent smell of vinegar. So the brushes might also have the smell after you've cleansed them. And will counter the smell of the vinegar, and will also keep your brushes smelling fresh. So I'm taking the soaked up olive oil cleansed brushes and putting them in this mixture of hot water, apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. You can also use your hands to gently squeeze the water. So I'm going to leave the brushes soaked in this vinegar, lemon juice and hot water mixture for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, now I'm going to remove the brushes from this liquid solution and I'm going to wipe off the tips clean. Please be warned that you must use olive oil or any kind of oil, it can even be coconut oil, but you must use oil only when your brushes are extremely dirty and have a lot of oil or liquid makeup caked onto it. If it's just going to be powder makeup which is on your brush, then you need not soak them in oil at all. And now there's another method to clean this. Apart from wiping off the tips, you can also show the brushes under running water or tap water and clean them with your hand. So you can actually hold the bristles in such a way that it doesn't the water doesn't pour over the remaining part of the brush, because mostly this part is made of wood or other polymers of wood, and that might get soaked up and swell after a point, and that also will make the barrel move out of its socket. So make sure you make contact with the water from the tap only up till this area. So I'm going to now wipe it off with the tissue completely. The brushes are smelling great. They have a nice lemony scent. And they also look perfectly clean. Hope you all liked the brush cleaning video. Please stay tuned for further updates on my Blush with Pri makeup workshop. Keep watching the space on Instagram and Facebook, and my handles are Priyanka Raghuraman Dance, and do follow me on YouTube too. My YouTube channel will be just Priyanka Raghuraman. Type it in and you will find me. Stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.